All right, there's one thing that I absolutely love about Panama, and it's how much nature really is out here. And if we're quiet for a second, you can just hear so many different sounds, whether it's a bug, it's a bird, or it's a monkey, like the monkeys that are up in the trees right now. There's animals absolutely everywhere. Pretty cool, huh? And you don't really have to be like out in the jungle or whatever to see an animal. You could just be in the middle of your neighborhood. I bet you right now we walk out here and we find a nyeke. Oh, okay, there's no freaking nyekes now. It's lunchtime, I guess. They're not here. Since I didn't find a nyeke, I guess I'll just put a video of a nyeke out here.